Welcome to another WMA video, weekly market analysis. So, let's go on the chart and see what's gonna happen next week. Alrighty guys, we are on oil's weekly chart, and as I said last week, we have this nice trend line here that price reacted very well to this area, to this resistant area, and we have this double pin bar pattern that we had here and here, and everything still seems bearish on oil. Plus we have got these MACD divergence on these tops. Let's move on gold, guys. You know, we had this trend correction, and I guess we're gonna have another trend, and it's gonna be the continuation of this trend. Plus, you know, we had these two trend lines and this static line which were all broken in 1 week, and yeah, everything on gold seems quite bullish. The only problems we have is the first one is that we can have some serious reactions to this static area, and the other one is the top line of this channel, that we can have reactions and have a correction for a few weeks or days. Okay, we all know that most of the time silver and gold look a lot like each other. Like we have a trend on gold and a correction, it's the same on silver. So and plus on silver we have this nice static support area that we had on gold too. But the only problem we have on silver is that this trend line is not broken yet, so we have to wait for this trend line, this downtrend lines to be broken. So moving on USD Cad. Oh god, what a messy chart. Let me clean up for you. Oh god. Right, we got a few good trades on USD Cad, and I'm sorry. So I don't know if you can see this channel, but we have this nice channel, nice reactions to the top, mid and bottom line, and last time the bottom line was touched, we have this nice trend line plus this static line, and when we zoom in, I see that we had a trend correction and we're gonna go up, probably at least touch this static line. So what I think on USD Cad is it's gonna be bullish at least until here. Alright, the next pair is Usd Jpy. We had this nice ending diagonal that I showed you last week. I think it was here last week, and now we are at this at the bottom of this channel. We can have some reactions to this channel, and we might go up a little bit, but what I'm seeing on this is that Usd Jpy is gonna come down, break this channel, and come touch the bottom of the ending diagonal. So moving on GJ, everything's still the same, strong resistant area, trend line breakout, pullback, and we're coming down. If you need more confirmation, you can use this trend line. If the price broke this trend line, we have all the confirmations that GJ is gonna come down. Chf Jpy, like GJ, the same. We have broke this channel, as I said last week, and I expect the price to come down. Alright, moving on Chf Jpy, this trend line was broken. We had a pullback, and the pullback were exactly at the same area with this static line that we had. So for more confirmation, you can wait for the next candle to break at least this trend, this little trend line, or even break this the bottom of this blue channel, which is the midline of the bigger channel. Moving on Gbp Cad, we had this nice static area that was broken, and we may have a pullback to this area and keep the bullish move. Everything seems bullish on Gbp Cad actually. You can see all these technical analysis on the chart. I'm not going to talk too much, but know that everything seems bullish after this breakout. So moving on Euro Cad, we had this trend on 4 hour, this nice correction as a channel, and this trend line was broken. For more confirmation, you can wait for this channel to be broken, and then we can accept Euro Cad to reach this area, this static area. Alright guys, moving on AUD NZD daily chart. We had this nice channel and we had a reaction to the top line, and plus the this trend line was broken, so we can search for some short positions on lower time frames. Plus we had these divergence on MACD on these stops. Let's go on AUD CAD, which had a great gain last week, and everything still seems bullish, and I don't have anything more to add. So let's move on Bitcoin. Last week, as I said, I think it was on this area, this resistance area, I said it's probably going down. It went down, gave it a really good gain, but the only problem we have on Bitcoin going down is that we have this trend line, that this move might be just a pullback to this, and we're gonna go break this channel. Plus on weekly time frame, we had this awful candle and this static area. This might be a pullback to this static area after the breakout, and it might come down at least until $30,000. So as we saw on the charts, we got tons of opportunities. You know, market gives you opportunities every day, every hour. I'm gonna record the results video next week on Saturday, and we're gonna see what happened to our analysis. Did I just bluff something, or it was really true? So that's it for today's video, and thank you, and bye bye.